Stat 17. Autism is mostly genetic. It's not caused by vaccines. Let's talk about where autism really comes from and what it absolutely does not come from. First, the science. A massive study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, found that 83% of the risk for autism is inherited. That means most people with autism are born with it because of how their DNA is built. It's kind of like being born with brown eyes or curly hair. You don't catch autism. It's part of your brain's natural wiring. That doesn't mean one gene causes autism. It means there are hundreds of tiny genetic differences that shape how the brain develops. But that's not the whole story. Scientists also study environmental factors, things that happen before or during birth, like premature birth, complications during delivery, maternal infections or diabetes, lack of oxygen at birth. These factors don't cause autism by themselves, but in combination with genetics, they may slightly increase the chance that a child develops autism. Now let's talk about vaccines, because this is where people like RFK Jr. misled the public. You may have heard about a girl named Hannah Poling. She was at the center of a big news story in 2008 when her family got money from the Vaccine Injury Compensation Program. And some people thought the government admitted vaccines cause autism. But that's not what happened. According to the New England Journal of Medicine, Hannah had a rare genetic condition called a mitochondrial disorder. This means her cells had trouble making energy. After she got a group of routine vaccines at 19 months old, she developed a fever and became very sick. Doctors said the vaccines may have triggered her condition, which caused brain inflammation, called encephalopathy, not autism. Headlines made it sound like the court ruled that vaccines caused autism, but they didn't. In fact, the legal language clearly says the vaccines aggravated her mitochondrial condition, not that they caused autism in healthy children. So what do we take from that? Autism is mostly genetic. It's not caused by vaccines. The Hannah Poling case is not proof otherwise. It's a very rare situation that has been widely misunderstood. We now have decades of research and millions of children studied, and none of it supports a vaccine autism link. Instead of blaming vaccines, we should focus on supporting people with autism, making healthcare fair and accessible, and stopping the spread of misinformation, because every time someone claims autism is preventable, they're spreading fear, not facts.